Hi everyone, I am Prashant. Welcome to our channel. We made this fan with simple things like DC motor, 9V battery and some wires. The reasons to made this are utilizing the scientific method. Experiments serve as the practical blueprint for how science actually works. Students move beyond rote memorization. And second thing, increasing curiosity among students. And third thing, by this experiment we can develop critical thinking and problem solving skill among students. Finally, we can enhance collaborative learning among students. So that's why we made this experiment in our classroom. First, I made a demonstration of this one. After that, students could do this experiment as their own. There is no need to explain making process because it's very simple. You can understand just by watching. Today onwards, I want to do simple junior experiments in my classroom. Why? Because I heard a news about engineering graduates. Our country produces approximately 15 lakh engineers annually, making it one of the largest technical talent pools in the world. While the output is high, reports indicate a significant employability gap, with estimates suggesting only about 45% of these graduates are considered job ready. It is very sad to listen, so I want to do my bit, even if it is small. I named this program as Tomorrow Engineers. We are from Sarkari school. We need support from you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to support us. Please support us. Thank you. Thanks for watching.